What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, based on the title, you know exactly what your girl will be making. But before we jump into this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my uploads. So guys, today we're gonna make a banana cinnamon swirl bread. And guys, let me tell you, this was amazing. It was soft, moist and flavorful. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, guys. Here in a bowl I have some ripe bananas, some overly ripe banana. I have 3 overly ripe bananas. Now guys, you want the bananas to be well ripe. If it's not well ripe, you won't have that nice flavor, because the riper the banana, the sweeter it is. Now I'm going to go in with my whisk and whisk it just a little bit to make the banana a little bit more smooth. To this I'm going to add some sour cream. Now the sour cream helps with the moistness of this banana bread. And guys, the recipe for this banana bread will be listed in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. To this I'm going to add 2 eggs. And guys, make sure all that you're using is at room temperature for a better consistency. Here I have some brown sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, but I will reserve a bit for my cinnamon swirl later on. Now onto my dry ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg and allspice. I'm just going to run this through the sift real quick. And by sifting our dry ingredients, it makes our final product very soft and moist. I'm going to go in back with my whisk just to make sure that there's no lumps of flour in here. Not going to whisk it for long because I don't want the gluten to develop and make this like a puddingy like texture. Now onto our cinnamon mixture. Here I have half a cup of brown sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I'm going to add my vanilla extract now and my vegetable oil. Reason why I didn't add the vanilla at first, I wanted it to mix into the cinnamon swirl for that extra liquid, so we can get like a paste like consistency. and to also flavor the cinnamon sugar mixture. To this I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. And guys, the flour is to create that paste-like consistency that we talked about earlier. You want to make sure that what you're baking in is well greased or lined with a parchment paper. I didn't use a parchment paper, I just greased it properly and placed my batter in. Now you could do whatever makes you feel comfortable. If you're comfortable using your parchment paper, go ahead. So I'm going to add this cinnamon mixture in 3 sets. You just want to place little dollops of the cinnamon mixture into your batter and just move it around and create like a swirly like design. Nothing too fancy, just move it around. Wherever it lands, it lands. And you're going to do this until the batter is finished. Now that this is done, we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour to hour and 10 minutes depending on your oven. And you could know when this is done by just inserting a toothpick or a knife or something, and if it comes out clean, then your bread is ready. I did bake this for an hour and 10 minutes actually. Now I'm going to allow it to cool a bit and then I remove it from the dish. There you have it, guys. Nice banana bread. It smelled amazing, guys. Now I'm going to cut this up and let you see those swirls that we designed earlier. And I wish y'all could taste this. It was soft, moist, and flavorful. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and let me know if you would try it, and if you do try it, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and just let me know how it was. That's it, beautiful people. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one.